Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. Today I want us to prepare some common Kenyan meal, Ugali. So let me show you what we need. So we'll be cooking Ugali, and what the ingredient is just boiling water and some maize flour. Mine is called sorghum. So our water is already boiling. You just add the flour like that and keep stirring and leave it for some time, like 20 to 30 minutes to cook, and that is done. So you'll be using pork and some spinach here already chopped. We have tomatoes, some garlic, paprika, soy sauce. These are for my pork, and of course there will be some onions which I'm going to chop right away. So the water is already boiling. Sometimes I like to add some blue band, so I'll skip some and put it in the boiling water. Then we add our flour. Then we stir. It's good you keep aside some hot water. If it becomes too thick, you add some water. Hot water, not cold water. There are some who like it very hard, others very soft. I like it just medium, not so thick, not so light. Just the right consistency. These are very common meal. You find it in every Kenyan home. This is what we eat maybe almost in daily basis. Yeah, it looks like that when we stand well. I think this is close to fufu in Nigeria. In Ghana and Nigeria, I think they have similar food like Ugali in Kenya. So this is how it looks. So you give it time to cook, over low heat, over medium heat, for like 20 to 30 minutes. If you are not in a hurry, you can make it 1 hour. So I try to shape it. Like that. Then I'll lower my heat and I'll cover it and leave it to cook for like 20 to 30 minutes. So let's fry our meat. this pork, that's our onion. We want some oil, a little bit, because pork already has some fat. The paprika, then we add our soy sauce. Looking so yummy. So let's fry our vegetables. That is spinach. So for the spinach, I'll just add royco. Just onions, oil, and some royco. Comes out very good. Comes out very delicious. Wait until your onions turns brown, then you can add your spinach. It's good for your health. And also ugali requires a lot of vegetables to consume with. So cook a lot of it. Like me, we are 5 members of the family, so we need quite substantial. I don't like till cooking. I'm done with the pork, so we are almost there. This is the last thing I'm doing, the vegetables, spinach to be specific. You can use kales, spinach, all kind of greens, and ugali also can be taken with any kind of meat, fish, chicken, pork, anything that eggs. It goes well with a lot of accompaniment. So we can add some salt. But I don't add a lot of salt because this royco already has some salt. So you just put a little. If you add your royco and you taste and feel that the salt is not enough, you can still add a little. Yeah, almost done. So we just add our Royco. It's normally in powder form. You have to mix with some water so that it spreads evenly in your food. Then you stir again. And spinach is ready. I don't like it overcooked. I love it when it's still green. So we'll switch off our fire. And that is done. So our food is ready. Looking so good. This should be the least in your plate. That's how I do mine. Lot of vegetables, proteins, and a little bit of ugali. So let's taste and give a response. So good. So good and tasty and juicy. So if you have access to this ingredient, try and give me a feedback. You will definitely love it. Give feedback of your food.
So good. Especially this one. It's all for me. Because I'm a bad thing for you.
Even I can't hear you what you're saying. This is pork. How is it?
Very nice.
Vegetables, ugali.
Ugali is very nice. But vegetables.
What is good?
If this is pork. The pork has like the pork has like soy sauce. That gives it a bit of taste, a good taste.
Very delicious. Princess, what about you? How is the food? Delicious. You people, you've earned the feedback from my people. Try that meal, guys. You definitely love it. So see you in another video. Bye. Don't forget to like, to subscribe. That is very important. Put on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you're the first one to watch it. Let me hear your thoughts. Let me know your thoughts. Comment, like, share, subscribe, share with your friends. So, bye for now. See you in the next. Bye.